All right, welcome to the second video on this Discord. We're going to be going over, is crypto real money? There's been a big debate around if crypto is actually a viable currency. There's a lot of people who say it's scammer money or it's people money laundering, but we're going to dive into it today and try to help you understand why it's actually a viable uh, currency. So, what makes money actually money? Number one, there's got to be value. There's got to be some sort of purchasing power, meaning that you save wealth for future use. There's got to be a medium of exchange, meaning it's accepted for buying or trading goods. And then, of course, there has to be a unit of measure for the currency. Um, so, for centuries, we've used paper bills to trade. You use your money at the grocery store to buy things. But we're going to show you why crypto is also money. Let's see. Fiat versus crypto. So traditional fiat currency, which means our dollar bills, your paper bills, are government issued and regulated. They are from the central bank monetary policy. They're controlled. They are physical and they come in digital forms. And inflation risk from money printing. Now, that is going to be one of the biggest topics I'm going to try to help y'all understand is that you cannot have value in something that's infinite. Uh, but anyway, with the US dollar pretty much universal acceptance, you can use your US dollar anywhere in the world to get you something. So with cryptocurrency, it's decentralized. Not one single person owns it. Um, it is an algorithmic monetary policy. It is purely digital, meaning there's no physical. You don't have a physical Bitcoin. And there is a fixed supply of Bitcoin. There is only ever 21 million. Now going into you can't hold value in something that is infinite. But with something that is finite, meaning there's a fixed number, that means it can hold value. This is one of the biggest issues in uh, our monetary system today is that the government can just continue to print money. Um, if you keep up with anything about money, our dollar lost 10% of its value this year. That meaning your $100 bill was only worth $90 this year, and it is steadily going down. So the legit question here is, we have a lot of legal recognition here. Like El Salvador have made Bitcoin legal tender. They hold a lot of Bitcoin. Um, our government is trying to get the laws and regulations in place for people to start using crypto day to day. Major banks and payment processors now offer crypto services, debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, like PayPal. I mean, if you have Cash App, you can invest in crypto there. You can send your Bitcoin to somebody. So financial integration is just now starting, and there was actually a law passed today where banks can be punished by not letting people use crypto. Um, Market maturity. Uh, Daily trading volume in billions. There's institution investment and regulated exchanges demonstrate market legitimacy. So that being said, we have big players like BlackRock. That is one of the biggest names in the sector. They own everything in the world. They own so much of the world, and they've started buying Bitcoin by the billions, not millions. We see a lot of hedge funds starting to buy Bitcoin. We see, again, a lot of these banks. JP Morgan, he's buying Bitcoin. Anyway, store value. So Bitcoin has been called digital gold for a good reason. Despite volatility, it has maintained long-term growth and serves as a hedge against inflation for many investors. Unlike fiat currencies that can be printed endlessly. Like I said, our US dollar is a infinite amount. Bitcoin is a 21 million coin limit. That creates scarcity. That is a key attribute for keeping value in money. Um, and here's a 10-year performance. If you invested in Bitcoin in 2014, it would have been $400. 2024, it was 43, and that is just to 2024. 2025, we've seen up to 120,000, meaning you could have hit, 100,000% in gains. Meaning if you put in $1, you could have pulled out 100 grand for $1. But most of us weren't even. Most of us were, playing with our toddler toys in 2014. So here are some examples of mediums in exchange. Ferrari, correct. They accept crypto. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD payments for their cars in the United States. Starbucks, one of the biggest coffee shops worldwide, customers can pay with crypto through their Starbucks app. Um, and Tesla, uh, they accept Bitcoin for their cars as well as PayPal accepts Bitcoin. All right. So crypto excels at a store value and is increasingly a medium of exchange. It's developing as a unit of account. Most goods are still priced in fiat currencies, meaning that most goods are still going to be priced in the US dollar. Um, so crypto is being used for payment. It is an emerging sector and it is rapidly being adopted. If you look at a chart of just say the internet, this is exactly the same exact curve as the internet. And internet came out in the 1990s. Now everybody in the world uses it. Um, and I believe that 5 to 10 years, we won't have a digital. I mean, we won't have a physical dollar anymore. Everything is going to be online on the blockchain. Right. So government versus technology backing. Fiat currencies derive from legal tender laws, tax payments, centralized bank, military, and economic power. So crypto derives value from cryptographic security, network effects and adoption, algorithmic scarcity, and decentralized consensus. Um, so again, one of the just imagine how many more trillions of dollars can the U.S. print and money before people start losing faith in it. It's already happening now. Again, your $100 is not worth $100 anymore. It's somewhere around like 92. Um, so this offers a way where you actually don't have inflation. You don't have an inflation issue, and I believe that's the way the U.S. is going. Is they're going to try to mass adopt cryptocurrency so that they can control majority of the money. So here's some more real world crypto adoption. We've got 2.9 billion in MasterCard crypto payments. There's over 40 platforms worldwide. I'm pretty sure like even Amazon can take crypto now. Um, let's see. There's 15,000 Visa crypto transactions a day, and the total crypto market cap is 2.3 trillion. So one of the most important things is you got to understand that crypto, compared to commodities, stocks, gold and silver, bonds, real estate, it is the smallest sector. It comes in at around 0.02 of all of the financial sectors in the world. So again, just think about when this doubles from a zero point zero 0.02 to zero point zero 0.04. I mean, just imagine in 10 years when that percentage change just 10%, you could see the market again 10x to 20x just in general. So I believe that you can see that in the upcoming years. So the night light is turned on. All right, here's some myths debunked. Crypto isn't backed by anything. Neither is fiat currency. Your uh, your money is baked. Crypto isn't backed by anything. Your money is based on the faith of the United States government. There is nothing behind it. We've left the gold standard. Crypto is backed by technology, and again, that finite number that is extremely important to hold value in something. It's one of the myths is it's not accepted anywhere. Reality, Ferrari, Starbucks, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, it is rapidly expanding across industries. It is time to get in right now. It's too volatile to be money. Reality, it is early in adoption. Again, remember, we're at a 0.02 adoption rate across the entire market. It is going to be volatile because there is a small amount of money in it. You don't see stocks move like Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything like that move because there is so many more billions of dollars in the stock market. So, is crypto real money? Absolutely. Is it going to be used? Absolutely. It's already being used. It functions as money. It's better than our monetary system right now, and it's revolutionary. The future of money is here. So that is uh, the video, and I want to show y'all right here. We actually just got an alert for what is it? Bitcoin short, Solana short. Um, so again, I'm going to be giving some free callouts from my algorithm uh, to help y'all get some money. Again, this is not financial advice. Let me pull this up. Here we go. On the $100 account, we're up 20 bucks right now. All right, I'll see you on the next video.